Hi, boys and girls. Congratulations on getting Flipgrid installed on your iPad and for finding your way into our new Flipgrid room. So you made it. I'm going to explain what it is and show you how it works. Flipgrid is basically a really cool app and website where we can go on there, record little videos, and share them so everyone can see. It's going to be a fun way for us to stay connected, to hear each other's voices, and to hear our thoughts and get to see each other. So it should be a lot of fun. When you get to this page, Mrs. Herrera, room 102, that's our page. We just scroll down. What you'll notice is that I'm going to be assigning a topic. It's kind of like our assignment. So this is our assignment here. And this is what we have to read. Now, if you have a hard time reading this, you can click this blue button. What it'll do is bring us to a screen. It will read the words to us. Oops, let me just move this out of the way. It's not part of that. So we're going to listen really quickly to see what the directions are by clicking on this green button.
Welcome to Flipgrid. Tap the green plus below to open the Flipgrid camera. Then, record a short video and, waving hand, say hello. Starstruck, show us a favorite toy and tell us about it.
Okay, so it did a good job reading it to us. I know it sounded a little silly when it said waving hand and starstruck face. It was just reading the emojis too. But you heard what we have to do. We're going to open the camera, record a video, say hello, and show a favorite toy and tell us about it. When you're done listening to that, you click on the back arrow, brings you back to this screen. It says the same exact information here. I did put a tip that says practice what you are going to say before recording. And this is just so that you do a nice job and are ready for it once you are ready to start. Scroll down and you're going to see this green button. That's the one that we're going to be pressing to start making a video. You're going to notice I already posted a video before and I had a wonderful helper. Miss Jordan was able to help me set up Flipgrid on iPads. So thank you so much to Jordan for all of her help, and to Mrs. Frank as well. Now we're all going to be able to post videos and watch them. Okay, so you're going to click on this green button. It's going to bring you to a screen with a camera. You'll be able to see me soon. There I am. Hi, boys and girls. It's not recording yet, so don't worry. But this is our main screen, okay? So you can't do anything up or down. If you move your the iPad up or down, that's all you can see. Just gonna move this down a little bit out of the way. Okay. Our main screen has lots of different buttons, and I'm going to explain what they mean quickly. On the top right corner, you see a little bubble with numbers in there. This is going to tell us how much time you have to do your video. So this video is going to be 1 minute and 30 seconds. That's how long amount of time you have. You don't have to use the whole time. It could be shorter than that, but it can't be longer than that. That's the maximum amount of time. The next button says show topic. This is in case you forget the directions or what you're supposed to answer in your video. You can click on it and it brings it up and shows you what the topic was. Click on it again to make it go away. You can add sticky notes and you can say anything you would like on there. Let's see. Hi, this is my first Flipgrid. If you want to, right? This would stay on your video while it's recording. If you don't want to use it, then you don't have to, okay? On the bottom here, we have different options too. This is a filter button. So when you click on it, you'll get lots of different choices, and look at what it does. It just changes the colors, kind of like some camera apps do, right? So you get to choose the one you want to use. This one here is a little alien. It kind of just blurs you out all the way, and this one clears them all and makes it back to normal. I like using that one because I can see myself normally. The next button here is to type any words or text. If I click on it, you have different choices of ways you can have your words show up. Maybe I'll type something like, hi everyone, and I can move it around. I can make it a little bit smaller or bigger if I want, and I can do that. Another button is an emoji button or a sticker button. I know that's pretty fun. Lots of different choices of things that you can choose from, depending on what you click on, right? So I'm going to stick to the emoji faces. Maybe I'll put a little smiley face one, heart one there, the heart eyes, right? You can also make it bigger or smaller. I have seen some kids do something like this, where they cover up their face while they're recording, but I really don't want you to do that. The reason we're using Flipgrid is so we can see each other and listen to each other. You can use the stickers, but just don't cover your face, okay? Put it off to the side somewhere if you want, or don't use it at all. There's a drawing tool where you can also draw something on the screen. So it's just kind of some extra fun ways to be creative in your video. But the most important thing is the actual video. So that's what some of these buttons are for. When you are ready though, this is the button you're going to be pressing. That's the record button. But before I record, I have to think about what I'm going to say, have my toy nearby, keep my iPad set up and still, not move it, not touch it around so I can hear everything clearly. And then I'm ready to go once I know what I'm going to say. I only have 1 minute and 30 seconds, so it can't be too long. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to make a video right now and you can watch how it looks, okay? Here we go. It's going to count me down. Hi, boys and girls. I'm so happy to be able to connect with everyone and can't wait to see all of your videos. I wanted to share one of my favorite toys. Now, I already posted another video that had a favorite toy, but I wanted to show you another one. And basically, this toy looks like this, right? It's like little beads, they're different colors, but the cool thing is that it's magnetic. And when you have a lot of them, you can make a lot of different fun shapes and do some cool things with them. So I really like to play with them. Sometimes I don't even make any shapes. I just like squeezing them in my hand and feeling the way they move. It kind of feels cool. So that's one of my favorite toys. I want to see what your favorite toys are, and I can't wait to see that. All right, friends, I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, so I am done recording my video. I still had about 40 seconds left, but that's okay. I don't need to add any more. I'm happy with it. If you made some mistakes or you think that you want to change it, you can always delete it and redo it, right? But I'm happy with how it is, and I'm going to click the next button. It's going to replay it. Hi, boys and girls. I'm so happy to be able to connect. So this is kind of where you can see your video again before you actually post it, okay? You can add some more to your video if you still have time. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out, so I'm just gonna click the next button again. And now the last part before you can post it is you need to take a selfie. So the selfie is going to be showing up when you post it so that we know who it's from, okay? So you need to look at the camera, be ready, and take your picture. Okay, if you don't like your selfie, you can redo it, but I'm gonna leave it. It looks kind of fun and silly. So now I'm gonna click the next button and I'm gonna give it some time. It's going to get the video ready to post. Just be patient, and there we go. So now it says submit your video. This is where you're going to put your name and just put your first name. You don't have to put your last name. If you want to add a title, you can. Favorite toy, right? That way, when someone wants to see your video, they'll know what the topic is about, right? Your title, and then you submit your video. Awesome. Now it says, congrats, Mrs. Herrera. Heads up, this topic is moderated. Your video will be visible when it's approved. So kind of like Seesaw, everything that you submit comes to me on my teacher's side of the website. I get to look it over, listen to it before I post it. So that's just what it's letting you know. I'm still not done. I have to hit the complete button. And now I'm done. It brings me back to my regular page. You'll notice though that video doesn't look like it's here. Remember, I still have to approve it looking at my teacher side. Once I do approve it, it'll show up here on a tile just like the other ones, and then you can click and listen to it then. Okay, well, I hope this helps you understand how Flipgrid works. Good luck and have fun. I'll see you guys soon.